it snowed in Arkansas. It's been beautiful weather. I was able to work outside a bunch, and now we're covered in a winter wonderland. I'm dreaming of a white... Wait, it's like March or something? So crazy. So, right now my only heater is this propane monster. I have to hold onto the red button until it's fully lit. It takes about 30 seconds. It's really hot. Okay. That goes on the tank. I have a new one that's coming in a couple of days, but until it gets here, that's been on and off a lot. So I also just make popcorn with the air popper, because that heats up basically the whole house because it's so tiny. Another bowl of heat. So that's it. Thanks for the matches, Mom. The other problem with the propane heater is that it's super moist. Like, I don't know if you can see, like, anything more than like everyone breathing and all of the windows start to fog up, Titanic style.